We are going to learn about default gateway and the values to be inserted in this default gateway. Suppose there are two PCs having the IP address 192.168.1.2 and subnet mask 25.25.25.0 and another PC having the IP address 192.168.1.3 and subnet mask 25.25.25.0 and they are connected by switch. Since they are connected by switch, they can share file and printer among them. Even they can access website hosting in any of this PC, and they can't access internet. In order to access internet, they need router. So the ISP will provide internet to this router and they will configure and they will provide internet in this router. Still, these two PC can't access internet. To get access internet, we have to assign the IP address of this router in the default gateway. So the default gateway main function is to provide internet and to provide connection between LAN and WAN, and they act as a bridge between the LAN and WAN. Why we are calling IP address of router as default gateway? Because it acts as a communication link between LAN and WAN. Any communication between WAN and LAN has to be passed through this router. So we are calling it as default gateway. In our office or home, there may be two or more Wi-Fi router. That is, we have a PC having the IP address 192.168.2.2 and it has a router and has an IP address 192.168.2.1. Since this PC is connected to this router, its default gateway has to be the IP address of this router, that is 192.168.2.1. This network cannot communicate this network. Since the IP address in this network start with 1 and in here it is 2. So these two network cannot communicate each other. They cannot share file and printers between these two network. In order to communicate, we need to connect these two router. So we will use one IP address from this router as in of this router, that is 192.168.1.254, which is the last IP address of this router, as act as a into this router, and by connecting these two router, we can communicate these two network. We can share file and printers among them. So the main function of default gateway is to provide internet and to connect two different networks and to enable file and printer sharing between different networks.